Let's see. Today's 23, maximum was 25. And right now it's sideways. What do you think? Can it go up more?
We're about 3 times the normal
Let's see,
expectation.
Sophie.
So in essence, we saw a gap to the upside and just a continuation as a result.
I prefer Magnificent 7 stocks. But anyway, let's see, Sophie.
We're short the stock because the short float in the stock right now is around 13%.
But do you
as of
know
the last 30 days.
how is company work? How you can deposit cash? There is no option to deposit cash. That's why. Founded 2011. Let's see financials.
When we decided to do them for overlooked stock.
Why it's not provided?
And one thing that I saw flagged by a couple of analysts was their accrual
68%.
ratio, that they had some concerns
Of course, it's very good
their
growth,
free
but
cash flow and potentials for their future
6 months.
profitability. You know, was there anything that you noticed there that you
41%.
thought could be an issue?
Let's see financials.
Yeah, so that's why I kind of broke this down, Marley, is that
Statement,
you look at the
income statement.
collaboration revenue versus the product revenue. It's important to note that collaboration revenues can be windfalls that are 1 quarter based or maybe over time for a year, but those aren't necessarily recurring.
So,
and that's important. The product revenue is recurring, and the product revenue
it is 2024.
76%.
Not, oops.
So that was meaningful. Plus the product revenue guidance was also
Probably, but still,
higher.
it's very
One of the
risky.
things I did notice, and I think there are some concerns you have to be aware of, and this is
You see,
what some of the analysts
credit
are looking
losses
at here,
provision,
is as of right now, if you look at the EPS
tax
estimates
provision,
for this fiscal year,
negative.
$4.89, but next year, it's actually down to $2.93.
It could be good, but still it's very risky.
It's trading on 8.5 times with 30% earnings growth. But
For
next
example,
year
Nvidia,
it's 13 times. So
Palantir,
when you see the forward multiple
much more better.
increase in the following year, it's suggestive of that earnings estimates are down the following year. So that's something I wanted to bring up because, you know, unless these collaboration revenues become more consistent, which right now they seem to be, but anything can change going forward.
See financials.
That might pose a problem for the price movement higher going forward.
Earnings per share 0.5.
The company is profitable, and even last year, on the sales they generated,
but you see, United Whole went up like crazy.
They had $98 million
I see people. Yes, hello, hello, guys.
Based on what they said,
Live chat is active.
On the balance sheet. So I think this is what's happening.
United Whole went up because it was huge
but nonetheless, it was a
loss.
meaningful
Do you remember?
In terms of the,
take a look.
Beat,
And went down.
The product revenue, which is the more steady.
Did you buy? Did you invest money? Today's 12%.
At least 30% a year based on estimates. And they also talked about how
do you invest at health care?
Is improving, and that might be based on insurance. Authorizing the use of.
Let's see, Palantir. That's why SoFi could be risky.
Is another concern that was an issue.
Palantir went down. Let's see.
Here based on this, the business. But
aftermarket a little bit up.
The analysts right now at the midpoint, there's 6 analysts that cover the stock. So it's not
Nvidia.
Midpoint analysts at $38, high analysts at 67.
Let's see Nvidia.
So
support line.
Right
you see here, huge support here. A lot of sales, right? A lot of sellers.
And then up next, I will be joined
Take
by
a
the
look.
Global Chief Operations Officer from Philips to discuss the company's plan to
That's why prices,
manufacturing in the U.S.
if we break this level, it will go up more and more. Okay, again, subscribe, give like to this video, and we recommend to buy Nvidia a long time ago in April using sell puts. You could make a lot of money if you buy that time, but right now, you see. And again, use only reliable brokerage, because some people ask me this, that. No, Fidelity and Schwab, not other crazy stuff, because you can lose all money. And these companies, at least, they insured. If something happens, you get your money back. Okay, they have chat support. You can communicate with them. It's very, very easy. You see, it's free chat support. You don't need to call. You can communicate via chat. Okay, so put in chat what stocks do you use, how much money did you make. And again, we don't trade any crazy crypto or penny stocks. No, because you can lose all money. Let's see what happened with Bitcoin. What happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin today is down, year to date 25%, annual 100%, but Palantir is even better. Do you remember? Show you Palantir. Palantir 400%, almost 500%. Yes, that's why it's much more better. And Palantir, let's see financials. Palantir's financials. How much money? But his financials disappeared. Not again, previous message we showed all financials. Palantir is much more better. Okay, again, subscribe, give like, and put in comments what do you buy? How much money did you make? You can see chart. Earnings date, it will be November. EPS, earning per share, you see 0.31. It's very good. And how much money they make? It's $1 trillion. $1 trillion company in 1 billion. It's very good, very profitable. Okay, subscribe, give like to this video, and don't forget we have free live stream. Join it. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe.